everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. This is Koyena, and in today's video we are going to talk about vision board. So what exactly is a vision board? Let's see what Google has to say. So a vision board is a collage of images or words representing a person's wishes, goals, intended to serve as an inspiration or motivation. So I'm going to stick this image right here wherever I find it possible. So it's basically something you want to achieve in your future. Just pick up some images or words that you want to become in your future, and this acts as an inspiration or motivation in your daily life. So I have made this vision board. This is technically my second vision board. The first one was only words and quotations, but this one are illustrations that I found out from Pinterest, which I would like to achieve in my future. So this board right here is the first thing that I see when I come to my desk, so that it gives me motivation to work further so that I become or achieve something from here. So now I am going to share how I have understood that I want some of these in my vision board. I want these in my life. So Pinterest searching for vision board can be extremely overwhelming, because there are so many pictures and so many beautiful pictures. You think that, okay, I want this in my life, I want this to happen, I want to become like this, but you end up just jotting down every point, which is not exactly the one you wanted. So I'm going to show you how I made made this collage and put it together. So at first, talking about the board, this mesh board, I don't know, this grid, this is a metal grid, and this is not from Amazon. I got this from a local hardware shop, and it was like really rustic, and they rejected it, but I got it for 100 rupees, and I painted it this color. So I don't have any clippings of painting this, but you know how to paint, right? With a brush and a thinner and the paint. So that's it. And this clothespin, these are actually clothespin, the big size clothespin. These were rejected by my parents, so I used this. Nothing can go waste, so I used this to hang the pictures. And the pictures, talking about the pictures, I'm going to show you how I did that so that you can do this. Basically, you need to write the vision board that you want to include. So career wise, you need to write what you want to achieve in the future. Apartment wise, what you want to, 1 BHK, 2 BHK, you want yourself to live there. Health wise, you want a good health, and you don't want any illness to come in your way. Travel, you want to travel solo or with your partner or with your family. Where you want to travel, in this country or in some other country, mountain or beach. So you have to be specific as possible. So next is inspirational quotes. So some quotes that will really inspire you in the morning. Seeing this will boost up your mind and you will fill up with energy. Relationship, what sort of relationship you want. If you want to work on some relationship, you can do that as well. If your brother is having some a rough patch in your relationship, you want to work on that. You need to be grateful that you have a brother, and who the good times you have spent, you can hang some pictures over there. Finances, how much money you want in your life. This is kind of important, and everyone has this as a a specific board. And the car, this is actually added by me, what car I want in my life to come. And I want to learn driving and become a confident driver. So these are the categories that I have chosen. I will definitely not show you what all I have written over here, but these are the categories, and you need to write that what you want to achieve in all of these categories. So after sitting down and finding out what exactly I want for my vision board 2022, I got these pictures from Pinterest and got printed out. So this is the paper cutting clip, which is extremely satisfying to watch and to cut. My vision board is actually adjacent to my desk, so I spend most of the time on my desk sitting, working, or studying. So my vision board actually consisted of all of these pictures. So I'm going to show you what exactly I want. So in this one, I really want to become a plant mom, sort of, because I am a serial plant killer. I really want, to work with plants and become, a good plant person. Next is I want to read a lot of books. You can see this says between the pages of a book is a lovely place to be. I really do believe it, and in this year I have targeted to read 12 books, one book per month. Next one is Dance It Out. It's a Grey's Anatomy reference. I really enjoy watching Grey's Anatomy. Okay, now coming to here, this is a person who is traveling. I really love to travel, so I want to become like her and travel the entire world. This one is actually a woman working, so I really like to be busy. I really like to, self in work, if that's a word. I would really love to become busy doing whatever I like. Next is someone who is cooking. So I am, I really enjoy cooking. So I want to become that, not chef, but someone who cooks really good food and that is enjoyed especially by me and some other person as well. So this one, okay, coming here, this is also a busy woman balancing work and life together. So this is also some part. And again, this is a passport and an airplane picture. I really want to take this picture with my own phone and with my passport. So this is also in my vision board. Okay, coming here, this is a girl boss. I really do believe in girl bosses, and I have much respect for the actual girl bosses who balance life and work together. Next is this coffee bar. I am a very much of a tea or coffee drinker, so I want this coffee bar at some point of my life. This is the Friends theme coffee bar. I really do want to replicate this at some point of time. Next is this books with a mug and a spectacle, because I am a chashmish person. I really need a spectacle and books, to read. Also, this mug is really cute. Next is appreciate everything. I really believe this, because this is the only way by which you can, become a positive person. Next is this girl who is driving. So definitely I want to learn driving this year at some point, and I want to become as confident as her. So this is someone doing yoga, and here also I have another picture of yoga and getting a fit body. This is difficult, but I want to achieve this at some point this year only. Let's see, because I'm a huge foodie, so it's difficult for me. And again, this is a dining hall slash drawing room. I want to replicate this, in my apartment if I have some. If I have one in my point of life. So that's it. This is my vision board. This is the pictures that I have included, and I have decorated with this, battery operated light. And this is a cute little heart that is gifted to me by someone. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like and share this video with your friends so that they can also, find it helpful. And if you want to see more such content, please subscribe to my channel. This would mean so much to me. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.